you know about insurance. There are two types of insurances. Number one, general. Number two, life. General insurance is taken for the protection of assets, for example, car, scooter, house, contents, etc. But life insurance is taken for the protection of family. It means if any person dies, his family doesn't suffer any financial crisis after his death because the insurance company can help his family. There are two types of life insurances. Number one, individual, and number two, joint. Individual life insurance means when the insurance policy is taken for an individual, means for one person only. But joint life insurance means when insurance policy is taken for the group of persons, not single one, it's more than one. For example, there is a partnership firm with three partners, A, B, C, and the firm decides to take insurance policy for the protection of A, B, C. It means if any partner dies, the insurance company will pay the amount due to the family of that deceased partner. If this type of policy is taken, that will be called joint life insurance policy. For example, the firm decides to take insurance policy for rupees 5 lakhs and it is for 20 years and the agreement was settled at rupees 25,000 per annum payable by the firm to the insurance company for 20 years. And this agreement was signed between firm and insurance company. It was on 15th of January 2017. It means on 15th of January 2017, it was agreement between the partnership firm and insurance company that for next 20 years, if any partner dies, the insurance company will pay 500,000 to the firm so that the firm can pay off. So the date of agreement is 15th January 2017 and this policy will work till 15th January 2037. That will be the date of maturity. It means if nobody dies till 15th January 2037, the insurance company will pay 500,000 to the firm. It means the insurance company will pay 500,000 to the firm if the partner dies or the date of maturity comes, whichever earlier. So in this situation, date of agreement is 15th January, date of maturity is 15th January 2037 and the annual premium is 25,000 rupees. Be careful, the 25,000 rupees will be paid every year on 15th of January and the lifespan of this policy is 20 years and the maturity amount is 500,000 or we can say the policy amount is 500,000. Be careful, there are different types of insurance. Some insurance company, I mean to say life insurance companies, do not pay any money on the maturity. They pay money only and only the situation of death. But in these questions, we are going to assume that the insurance company pays the maturity amount on the day of maturity if any partner doesn't die. In the next episodes, when we are doing the accounting treatment for the joint life policies, we should also know the surrender value. Surrender value means what happens if the firm decides to discontinue the payments to the insurance company, or you can say the firm decides to terminate the agreement with the insurance company. Of course, the firm has got the right to terminate the agreement with insurance company at any time. The moment the firm terminates the agreement, it will stop making payments to the insurance company. Now the question is, what will happen? The firm has already paid some money to the insurance company. Will it be paid back or not? Some insurance companies pay the money back, but not the full, a part of the money paid. And how much money is paid if the agreement is terminated is called surrender value of the policy. And the firm must know the surrender value on each and every closing for the accounting treatment. Suppose in this situation, the policy was taken on 15th of January 2017 and the closing of the books of the firm is 31st December each year. So the firm is interested how much is the surrender value on each and every closing. The surrender value can be received from the insurance company, and sometimes the insurance companies give the formula of calculation on their websites. Suppose this is the calculation of the surrender values of the policy on 31st December 2017 0, 31st December 2018 10,000 rupees, on 31st December 2019 21,000 rupees, on 31st December 2020 33,000 rupees, on 31st December 2021 46,000 rupees. These are the surrender values of the policy and it was calculated by the insurance company. So in the upcoming episodes, we must be aware about the date of agreement, date of maturity, the amount of annual premium, the amount of policy, the amount of maturity, the surrender values on different dates. These all things will be required for the accounting treatment of joint type policy in the firm in the upcoming episodes.